YouTube? Your boy, not your average driver, back with another video. Now you can see from the title, yes sir, she's back. Yes sir, guys, we got the Chevy Spark back in action, all fixed up from Caliber Collision. Surprisingly, I dropped it off Monday. Today is Sunday. It was actually done within less than a week. It was done by Friday. So shout out to Caliber Collision, because at first the first estimate was 12 days, so I had a rental for 2 weeks. But hey, they called me and said, hey, it'll be done today. I'm like, oh, bad. So yes sir, as you can see guys, we all fixed up. Grill all fixed, radiator, all that good stuff. One thing from the first video, if you guys ain't watch it, please do. Nice and quiet now, guys. Yes, sir. But yeah, guys, we back in action. Good news, I ordered some red Caliper paint, so that should be coming. Alright, like I was saying before, Creepo came walking over. But anyways, like I was saying, I ordered some red Caliper paint, so yes sir, it's gonna be red calibers in the front, match the red tire stem cap, match the red paint, and I'm gonna smack the red drums. So that's gonna be the next update on the Spark, guys. I'm gonna drop some before pics. If you haven't seen the video, it was all banged up, and I guess I'll drop some after pics, but you guys see what's really going on. So luckily, I think he replaced the bumper. I'm not too sure, but I still got my clear tint and my Bio-Hex tint on there. So luckily, I don't have to retint that, guys. Perfect on both sides. But I guess they did have to replace the grill, so I did lose my black emblem that that's just vinyl wrap. I did it on the back, so I still have it on the back. So I might just have to redo that, or I might just leave it. As soon as I do something to this car, guys, something always happens to it. Yeah, see. Yeah, see in the back I just found the wrap the black, so that's the only difference. But yeah, guys, quick video, back in action. So expect more videos on the Chevy Spark. You guys actually like videos on the Spark, I guess. Surprisingly, I didn't know, but hey, since you guys like them, I'm gonna make them. So until next time, guys, your boy.